This is a command and control scenario. We have two sand tables in a command tent. The icons are located based on the sensors out in the field. There are detectors for avatars and threats and friendlies. Notice the PC Guru Kai icon. That is an avatar that I'm now controlling in another window. You can notice it's moving and being updated every second or two. He's getting into the Hummer and will drive, and now the Hummer will move as well. And shows the capabilities of the communication going on in the background. In the next scene, take note of where the little global hawk is in the right-hand side. And we'll go inside and show that the global hawk is actually where it should be. And I'm going to command it to move. It's an unmanned vehicle, of course. And you can see now it's kind of coming into the scene here and moving in the field. So we're actually reversing the command and control and telling the unit to move. This is a command and control scenario. Notice the helicopter monitoring the area. The radar dome, which is being penetrated by a Russian fighter. Notice the sensor going off in the lower corner, telling it where the threat is. Getting into a Hummer with a launcher, which is going to launch an attack on the threat. Launching. Hit. Notice the telemetry coming. This is an AI demonstration. That's my AI smart dog, PC Guru Kai. I'm typing in statements or questions to him on channel 1. He repeats it for the chat log and then responds. I said, hello dog, and I asked him how old he was. The detailed text, so you can see it, is being displayed now. This is a bot scenario where a bot uses an avatar, PC Guru Kai, and logs into the world from my computer using open metaverse libraries. I tell it a command to render a file from the hard disk, and it reads each command in the file and renders an object in world. And it can also teleport to different locations and monitor the deletion of objects as well. And then it can be told to quit. This is a collaboration scenario where we've teamed up with ASU senior students to evaluate the use of virtual worlds and collaboration for engineering. Everything you see here was created by the students. It uses quite extensively the media on a prim or MOPE for the wallboards, creating fully interactive collaborative spaces using the web browsers. It has working models for creating engineering. It has a 3D mind mapping tool using different shapes and links and nodes where you can modify it. That's an example there. There are several different experiments where we are tracking requirements and changing models and evaluating the model against analysis tools outside of the world and feeding that information back in world. So it's a fully interactive engineering collaborative environment and evaluating what tools work and what tools don't work. The final out brief for last semester is up on the wall, and the current semester is being executed as we speak.